press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students. So today let us continue with the exercise 14.3. Okay. Now today I'll just do this fourth one. The lengths of the 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table: 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180. Number of leaves 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Find the median length of the leaves. So this is the question. So here if you just observe the table, this is the length of 40 leaves measured for nearest to millimeter. So here 118 to 126 and 127 to 135. So if you observe this table, it is discontinuous class interval. I hope in the one more sum we did in the previous class, correct? So to make it continuous, I had told you what you have to do to make it continuous. So you should observe this carefully. You see the question, when you see the question you will come to know whether it is continuous or discontinuous class interval. So since it is discontinuous, here 118 to 126 and 127 to 135. So there is a gap of 1 unit there, see, 126 to 127. So I have not written the question for you, directly I am going to write the solution, okay. So, and you have to find out the median length of the leaves. See, you know how to find out the median, but since the class interval is like this, so we will do this sum, we will work out. So to make it continuous, you all know, since the gap here 126 and 127, there is 1 unit. So I told you in the previous class, 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. So you have to see, for a lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, and from upper limit you have to, for upper limit you have to add 0.5. Okay. So it will be a continuous class interval. So let us work out that. This is length in millimeter. So I told you, you have to subtract 0.5 from 118. So it will be 117.5 to 126.5, and you have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. Okay. Next 126.5 you have to subtract, then you have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. So see here 126.5, so 126.5, so it will be continuous class interval. Okay. Next 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, next 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, next 171.5 to 180.5. Then number of leaves 3, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2, and you all know they have given sigma or n is equal to sigma fi or n is equal to how much? 40 leaves. So they have given in the question. So, you have to again write this the class interval like this, okay, to make continuous. Then next procedure, you know how to do this to find out the median. So, what is the next step? And you all know you have to write less than, correct? So, you want me to write less than, or directly also you can write the cumulative frequency. So, for this sum I will write. So, this will be length again, length. See, this is optional, this column is optional. If you want you can write, or else if you are confident in doing, so you can omit this column. Only cumulative frequency is necessary, okay. So, this part what I am writing now is option, okay. Now, when I take less than, I told you, you should take the upper limit less than 126.5, then less than 135.5, next less than 144.5, next less than 153.5, next less than 162.5, next less than 171.5, next 180.5, less than you have to write. So, this is option. So, without writing this also, directly in the mind you can calculate and directly you can write the cumulative frequency, okay. Now, cumulative frequency, now less than 126.5. So, less than means you all know only 3, cumulative frequency is 3. So, put a column here. Number of leaves. Cumulative frequency 3, and less than 135 means 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Less than 144.5 means all the 3. So, 9 plus 5 plus 3. You can write like that, or directly you can write 8 plus 9, 17. Next, less than 153.5. So, till here all the observations will come under that group, correct? So, for 17, if you add 12, 29. Next, 29 plus 5, 34. Next, 34 plus 4, 38. Next, 38 plus 2, 40. Okay, now so cumulative frequency in the end you will get 40. So, you tally with this, correct? So, the calculation is also correct, okay. 40 you will get, when you add all that you should get 40 here, okay. Now, cumulative frequency we got. Now, what is the next step? Next step is n, you all know n is 40 and n by 2, n by 2 is 20. So, with this you can find out the median class. Find out the median class. So, 20, so little greater than 20 means it is 29. So, just see here, median class, and we can find out cumulative frequency and frequency, okay. So, 29, just little greater than 20, it is 29. So, you mark this column. So, this is the median class. So, median class is 144.5 to 153.5. So, this is the median class. So, you know what are the terms? So, L, that is lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class is 144.5. Okay. I hope you can recall what we did in the previous class. So, L. Then what else we need? Cumulative frequency we need, and also frequency we need, and also H we need, correct? So, try to recall the formula. So, what is the formula of the median? To find out the median, L plus. So, let us write that. So, let me write here, median is equal to, so L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into H. So, if you have this formula on hand, directly you can just you will get the terms, which are the terms you need to find out. Now, cumulative frequency I told you in the previous sum. So, what F is the corresponding frequency of the median class. So, F is how much? 12. Then what about cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is the this one, 17. That is the median class, the preceding of the median class is 135.5 to 144.5. So, the corresponding class cumulative frequency is 17. Okay. Now, 17, and how much is H? So, H how will you find out? See, when you subtract this, you will get H. So, L is how much? 144.5 and 17, cumulative frequency is 17 and frequency is 12, and H, what is H here? You can find out from this. So, I will do it here, 126.5 minus 117.5. So, 0, 16, 7, 9. Okay, correct? 9. So, here H is 9. Now, let us find out median. So, I will start from here. Since there is no place here, I will write from here. L is how much? 144.5 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 20 minus 17 divided by F is 12 and H is 9. Okay. So, 144.5. So, here 3 by 12, correct? 3 by 12. 3 by 12 into 9. So, 3 4s are, 3 3s are. Okay. 3 3s are 9 by 4. So, we got 144.5. Shall I work out here? 144.5 plus 3 3s are 9 by 4. 9 by 4. 9 by 4, you can take it in the decimal form. 4 2s are 8, 1 remainder, again 4 2s are 8. So, 2.2, 4 2s are 8, again 2, 4 5s are. So, 14.5 plus 2.25. So, the final answer I will write here, final answer will be 146.75, and you better write the conclusion. See, in the question they have asked, find the median length of the leaves. So, what is the final answer? So, final answer here I will write, therefore, median length, median length of the leaves is how much? 146.75 millimeter. 146.75 millimeter, because they have given in millimeter. So definitely 146.75, it lies here. See here, you can check, I told you, you can check your answer whether it is correct. So you will get the observation in between this, see 146.75. Okay. So this is how you can convert the discontinuous class interval to continuous class interval and work out as usual. Okay. Now let me work out third one. I think this will be the second one, sorry. Second one, in the previous class I had told that I will do it in the next class, so I will continue this second one. See, that is to find out the unknown values. See, x and y, you have to find out x and y. So, I will read out the question now. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Okay, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the frequency 5x, 20, 15, y and 5. So, the total is 60. So, here in the previous sum, in the I think in the first exercise we also found out how to find out the this one frequency, unknown frequency. Here we have two unknown frequency we need to find out. So, let us work out this sum. So, now I think you are clear with the all mean, mode and also the median. So, practice the formulas and also the steps, then definitely this chapter is very interesting and also easy one, because once you know the formula, you can you can plan it out how the table should be there in your text, answer. Okay. So, better learn the formula properly and definitely it will be easy. So, we shall do the second one from the exercise 14.3 only. So, class interval 0 to 10, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 5, unknown x, 20, 15, y, 5, total is given 60, this is n. Okay. Now, see here, they have given the median. Median is how much? 28.5. So, given median so median is given 28.5. Okay. So, the same proceeding, next what you will find out? Cumulative frequency. So, I told you in the previous sum that it is next column is optional, that is less than 10, you need not write if you are familiar, or if you want to write also no problem. So, for this I won't write, we can calculate in the mind only. So, less than 10, I told you when you take less than cumulative frequency, so you have to refer the upper limit only, upper limit less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. Okay. Now, less than 10 how many are there? 5. Okay, less than 20, 5 plus x, please see 5 plus x. Next the same proceeding. Next less than 30, so I have to add all these 3. So when I want to add all these 3, it will be 25 plus x. Okay, next 15 plus 20 plus 5 plus x, means for 25 I am going to add 15 here. So 20 plus 5, 25 plus 15, how much? 40 plus x. Next y is there, so 40 plus x plus y. Next 5, so for 40 I am going to add 5, 45 plus x plus y. Is it clear? See here 5, so less than 10, 5, less than 20, 5 plus x, less than 30, 20 plus 5 plus x, 25 plus x, less than 40, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 40, 40 plus x, less than 50, again 15, 20, 25 plus x plus y. See 40 plus x plus y. Next 45 plus x plus y. So this is our cumulative frequency. Now with this data I have to find out the unknown frequency now with the known data. So what is known data now? One is you have n is equal to 60. So as usual how you used to proceed the same way, n is equal to 60, therefore n by 2 will be 30, correct? N by 2 is 30. So just see so where you can little greater than 30. So greater than 30 means definitely you can see this cumulative frequency, that is 25 plus x. So here I am going to mark this. So this is our median class. (25 plus x). So here lies. Okay. So median class. What is the median class? Median class is 20 to 30. Now L, what is L? Lower limit 20, and F, CF and H. So frequency. So frequency is 20, cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. See here 5 plus x is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, means corresponding. See this is the preceding median class, correct? Preceding class of the median class. So this is 20 to 30, preceding is 10 to 20. So this is the preceding class. So 22. So corresponding cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. Okay. Now you just see that L is 20 once you check, F is 20 and cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. And what about H? H is 10. Okay. Now write formula first. Median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into H. So L is how much? 20 plus n by 2, and median is given, see median is given 28.5, n by 2 is how much? 30 minus cumulative frequency is 5 plus x, 5 plus x. See here, n by 2 is 30 minus cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. I hope you understood this. And what is f? F is 20. And what is h? H is 10. So here we can cancel this 0, 0. Now, this you have to simplify. 28.5, first I will do this 20, minus 20. I will just bring this 20 to the other side, transpose. So this will be 30 minus 5. 30, I will remove the bracket, minus 5, plus into minus, minus x divided by 2. Correct? Now, here 8.5 into 2 is equal to 30 minus 5. I will write the answer is 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x. So, you can simplify this. See, minus x, I do not want minus value, so I will bring x to the other side. So, x is equal to 25. So, this will be transposed to the other side, minus. So, 5 2s are 10, 1, 8 2s are 16, 17. So, 17.0 or 17 you can write. So, x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. So, x is equal to 8. So, we got the value of x now. How to find out y value then? Can you think? How to find out y value? Just you all have studied solving the equations here. See, whenever we did the sums of the known frequency, the previous sum, the final answer, see here 45 plus x plus y should be 60. I had told in each and every problem about this, correct? So, you can check, I told you. So, 45 plus x plus y means the total should be 60, correct? So, using this equation and substituting x in this equation, you can find out y. I hope it is clear. So, shall I rub this part? Okay, now continue this. So, we have 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Why? Because I told you n, that is summation of frequency, that is sum of all the frequencies 60. So, this should be 60. So, using this equation and we can substituting x is equal to 8, we get, so 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60. So, y is equal to 60 minus, so this 8 53. Correct? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 53. So, our answer will be 7. Okay. Answer is y is equal to 7. So, y also we got, x we got 8. So, what is the conclusion? Therefore, the unknown frequency, yes, what they have given in the question, you just you have to find out the values of x and y. So, therefore, the values of x and y are 8 and 7 respectively. The values of x and y are 8 and 7 respectively. Okay. So, like this you have to find out the unknown frequency. Okay. The procedure is same, the formulas, everything. Here you have to use this data. Median is given 28.5 and also n is also given, because we can't find out n here, because unknown frequencies are there, variables are there, x and y. So, they will give, definitely they will give n is equal to value, some value they will give. So, that you have to use, and also the median, that you have to use, and same formula and proceed, and here simplification, and finally using this x value you can find out the y value. Okay. I hope it is clear, and in the next class I am going to do, I think by now you have practiced how to find out the mean, mode and also median. So, one more sum that is in that same exercise, sixth one. So, I am going to continue that in the next class. So, there we are going to find out mean, mode and also the median for that sum, so that it will be like a revision part, okay, revision class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.